Okay, there it is. The very first city nameplate is up. As you can see, the far left is Los Angeles time. And now what we'll do is move on to the next one. Second city nameplate is up and hung, New York, and you probably guessed that once I told you the local East Coast time at the beginning of the actual video. Now it's time to move on to the next one, Zulu. There it is, Zulu nameplate is properly set. Now it's on to the 4th clock. And again, I want you to reference New York time. Right now it is 5:44-ish. Just 15 minutes prior to 6 p.m. Then hopping 2 clocks over, you can see that clock is 6 hours ahead of New York time. Any guesses? There it is, 4th city nameplate is installed, and as you can see, Amsterdam is just shy of midnight tonight. Now on to the 5th and final clock. There it is, 5th city nameplate is properly set, Beijing, China. So let's hop back over to the left side, Los Angeles right now, currently 2:51 p.m. On to New York East Coast time. It is 5:52 p.m. Over to Zulu time, it is 2252 Zulu. And then all the way over to Amsterdam, it is 11:52 p.m. And then over to Beijing, China, it is currently 6:52 a.m. tomorrow. So they are now one day ahead of us, which is pretty cool. And back to Amsterdam here in another 10 minutes. They will go into tomorrow's date as well. As far as us East Coast time, New York has another 6 hours to go until we hit tomorrow's date. Here's a better view of it. We are very satisfied. We are very happy. And again, a very cool, creative way to fill in that open space on the actual top portion of our stove. We are very happy. That's it. I hope the video helped give you a possible creative way to fill in a space in your home. Do us a favor, below this video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notifications, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.